Most people are still using ChatGPT like it is 2023, typing simple one-line questions and getting generic robotic replies. In 2026, ChatGPT has evolved into an autonomous agent platform capable of multimodal reasoning, real-time code execution, and deep market research. Today, I am showing you how top professionals use ChatGPT to cut their workload in half and produce elite results. You will master modern prompt architecture, custom memory configurations, automated workflows, and agentic research loops. Whether you are a founder, developer, or creator, this guide will upgrade your AI skills from beginner to pro level in under 10 minutes. Before prompting, let us set up your workspace for maximum efficiency. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and open Custom Instructions and System Rules. In 2026, top users do not rely on default personality traits. Under the section titled How Would You Like ChatGPT to Respond, paste this exact framework, role definition, output constraints, tone specifications, and preferred format structure. Notice how we explicitly instruct it to skip preamble pleasantries and execute directly. Turn on personalization and memory, but curate your stored memory items by clearing obsolete instructions. This simple 3-minute setup ensures every single conversation begins with expert-level context tailored specifically to your daily workflow. Step 1 is leveraging deep research and agentic reasoning modes. Instead of asking generic questions like summarize market trends, trigger the deep reasoning model by selecting deep research mode from the model selector dropdown. Now, input your query using the script framework, situation, constraints, required sources, inspection rules, and target output. Watch how ChatGPT executes multiple subqueries in real time. It navigates live web pages, cross-references academic PDFs, parses financial reports, and synthesizes data into a dynamic report. Notice the sidebar showing live source verification. Professionals never accept unverified statements, always click the cited footnote links to verify raw sources before using the data in your work. Step 2 is using structured XML tags and chain of thought prompting to eliminate hallucinations. When requesting complex outputs like strategic plans or software architecture, wrap your instructions inside clear structural tags like context, task, constraints, and output format. For example, write context, product launch, task, write press release, constraints, under 300 words, bold key metrics. Next, add the phrase think step by step inside a reasoning block. Observe how ChatGPT generates an internal reasoning scratchpad prior to giving the final output. This forces the model to double-check logical consistency, calculate math accurately, and avoid lazy responses. Use this structure for any critical business document or complex analysis. Step 3 is mastering code interpreter and canvas mode for data analysis and document editing. Upload your raw CSV files, spreadsheets, or code scripts by clicking the file attachment icon or dragging them into the drop zone. Switch into canvas mode by selecting Edit in Canvas. Instead of constantly reprompting in a linear chat thread, Canvas opens a side-by-side workspace. Highlight specific paragraphs or code blocks and click Inline Edit. Tell ChatGPT to reformat this chart, optimize the SQL query, or expand this section. Watch as it modifies only the selected region while preserving the rest of your document structure. This interactive workspace completely changes how you refine reports, code bases, and copy. Step 4 is building dedicated custom GPTs to automate repetitive daily tasks. Navigate to explore GPTs in the main sidebar and click Create. In the GPT Builder configuration page, upload your company brand guidelines, code style guides, or SOP documents into the knowledge file repository. Next, define precise system actions using OpenAPI schema endpoints. This allows your custom GPT to connect directly to external tools like Slack, Notion, or Google Sheets. Test your custom assistant in the preview pane on the right side. Now, whenever you need to generate on-brand social copy or query your internal database, your specialized assistant handles it instantly without needing fresh instructions every single time. Even experienced users make critical errors that compromise output quality. First, never feed confidential proprietary data into public chats without enabling data controls. Navigate to Settings, Data Controls, and turn off chat history and training for sensitive sessions. Second, avoid context decay during long conversations. When a chat thread exceeds 20 messages, ChatGPT begins losing track of earlier constraints. Fix this by asking it to summarize the key decisions so far, then copy that summary into a fresh new chat window. Third, always perform verification prompts. Ask ChatGPT, point out 3 potential flaws or missing assumptions in the response you just gave me. This forces self-correction and yields far higher quality outcomes. Let us unlock rapid productivity with keyboard shortcuts and voice interaction. Press Command-Shift-C or Control-Shift-C on PC to quickly copy the last generated response instantly without touching your mouse. Use /commands to invoke quick actions like summarize, rewrite, or analyze without opening menus. On mobile, activate advanced voice mode to conduct hands-free brainstorming while commuting or walking. You can speak naturally, interrupt mid-sentence to clarify points, and ask ChatGPT to adjust its speaking tone in real time. Combine visual uploads by snapping photos of whiteboard diagrams or UI sketches, and watch ChatGPT turn hand-drawn napkin wireframes into clean functional HTML code in seconds. To recap, master custom instructions, utilize deep research with structured XML tags, leverage Canvas for interactive editing, build custom GPTs for repeat workflows, and protect your context window. Start implementing these strategies today by customizing your system instructions using the template linked in the description below. If you found this Ultimate 2026 guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly AI workflow masterclasses, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite ChatGPT feature. Check out the next video on screen to take your AI productivity even further. Thanks for watching, and keep building.